So you can see how this is flush here now. But if I take this and place it where the directions say to mount it, and then close the door. Well, let me open it first. Click. That's as far as the door would close right there. It's a huge gap. I can get 2 fingers in there, no problem. 2 finger width. This certainly has about 1 inch to go here. So I would need to use those extensions that the directions came with. The problem is it only came with 1, and I need them on both sides. So even if we take this striker for the door latch and put it all the way inside, there's still a big gap on the door here, and it doesn't come flush here. So the solution that they've provided is you would cut this off and then you would bolt this on. I think you bolt it underneath and you put a round spacer on there, but that nearly puts it into the seat here if it needed to go that far. I mean, it'd be touching the seat right there. So instead, I think I'm gonna try and modify the actual latching mechanism that attaches to the door. I don't know. I may screw this up and have to order 2 new ones from Factory 5 and then go with this solution. We'll have to see. But I just need a little bit. Like I could modify the latch, and then, boy, if I could just take another couple of millimeters off of that, it'd still be strong enough, I think. Yeah. So looking at this latch, and especially this bracket here, which looks like it's made by Factory 5, you can see the mounting surface is not flush with the actual latch. And that's just about the distance maybe that I need to get that door to close all the way and flush. I could also, on this striker here, instead of putting the extension, maybe if this was modified to be flat against this mounting surface here, that I could file this a little bit and move that over maybe another couple of millimeters. It might be enough. So I was gonna go down to my local machine shop and see what they can recommend. Maybe they can modify this or a new one to get this mounting surface closer that way. I'm probably gonna have a clearance issue with this bolt right here, but rib nuts go right here. I think I'd be okay, because I could mount this. If I had a clearance issue here, getting a bolt in there, I can mount this and then reassemble this part once this is on the door. So I think I'll go down to my local machine shop, see what I can figure out. Well, here's the finished product, or the finished modified bracket. I think it turned out pretty good. I painted it. I still have access to this nut here. I made sure to get it just close enough there. So we'll get these together. Well, get the driver's side together and see if it's any better on the door.
Moments later.
So you can see with this assembled, my mating surface is now flush with the latching mechanism. So that's all flush. Hopefully it's going to be enough. Let's go see. Well, there's the door closed. That's all pretty good. This is just fine right here. It's got a little flip out right here, but I think maybe the door, well, that's smooth. I think a little bit of aggressive radiusing on this edge here is gonna take care of that just fine. But I'm pretty happy with that because this does line up right here. This is lined up. This could be a little better over here. But I think I can put some filler right there. But I think this result looks pretty good. Yeah, the door does flare out a little bit here, but I mean it's smooth here and up through here. The door just flares out just a little bit right here. But it's level here, and this is all one piece, or this is all one right here, so I really like that. I think we're gonna call that a win.